Scene 1. Introduction. Close-up visuals of diverse landscapes, expansive deserts, swaying green forests, majestic mountain peaks, and serene, glimmering rivers. A glowing throne emerges in ethereal light, where the King of the Kingdom of God begins to narrate in a soothing, yet commanding voice. Narrator. Pause for a moment. Close your eyes. Picture a tapestry, vast and timeless, woven with threads of wisdom from every soul and every corner of this world. This is humanity, a field of commonality, where each belief, thought, and vision creates a vibrant patchwork of existence. To truly see in this world is not to look with one's eyes, but to feel with one's heart. Today, I guide you through the inner vision, an eternal gift awaiting anyone who seeks it. Scene 2. Ancient wisdom unveiled. The screen cuts to historical reenactments, each focusing on leaders who shaped our understanding of life. First, Chief Seattle stands before a circle of his kin, his face weathered but serene. Chief Seattle. My brothers and sisters, the earth does not belong to man. Man belongs to the earth. Every pine needle, every grain of sand, every humming insect holds its place in the web of wonders. Within us lies a deeper truth, a vision immune to darkness, because it arises from the Spirit. Let it guide us in reverence for every thread in this web of life. The scene transitions softly to an outdoor landscape in Australia. An Aboriginal elder gathers the community, sparking a campfire under a starry sky. Australian Aboriginal elder, actor. Long before time as you know it, in the dream time, our ancestors whispered wisdom into the winds. The rocks echoed their songs. The stars illumined their truth. My people, understand. Seeing is not just with the eyes, but in feeling the echo of these ancient melodies resonating in your soul. Scene 3. The wisdom of the Quran. A peaceful mosque setting comes into view as an Islamic scholar, glowing in wisdom, stands quietly at first, then begins to address a seated audience. Imam al-Ghazali, actor. As the Prophet Muhammad, peace and blessings be upon him, taught, you are not a true believer until you love for your brother what you love for yourself. Beloved friends, faith is a bridge between hearts, grounded in kindness, nurtured in compassion, and embraced through understanding. Allow this bridge to illuminate the inner vision that connects us all. Scene 4. Eastern philosophy. Serene visuals of a mystical temple draped in soft sunlight. The Buddha, portrayed respectfully, is teaching about the power of insight. Buddha, actor. Remember this carefully. We are shaped by our thoughts. We become what we think. Each of your actions begins within, not without. Those who quiet the noise of the world and listen inward will find the radiant light of wisdom dwelling in them. This is the way of seeing, a path to enlightenment. Scene 5. Conclusion. Close with an uplifting montage. Meditating monks, children playing, diverse groups sharing meals, individuals reading sacred texts, and heavenly light softly touching the earth. The King of the Kingdom of God delivers the final words. Narrator. Across cultures, across time, echoes the truth. To see is to feel. To know is to love. To live is to extend compassion. The inner vision transcends the physical, enabling unity in diversity and harmony in all our being. Embrace this, and you will discover the eternal. For in our shared humanity, we are all the salt of this earth, balanced and bound by the wisdom of ages. Final fade out as gentle, meditative music accompanies uplifting visuals of nature and humanity. The credits slowly roll, leaving the viewer in reflective peace.